Hello and welcome to another TPOS tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how to register a charitable organisation for lottery tickets and also cover filing for gambling turnover tax return. First, you need to log in with your correct user ID and password. Once logged into your account, select the request tile. Here, you'll see multiple request types. Then select Registration of Lottery Tickets. Once loaded, you'll be navigated to the instructions page, where you need to read and declare that you have read and understood the instruction by ticking on the checkbox. Then click the Continue to Next button to proceed to the next section. In this step, you will have to enter the following details. 1. Select the purpose of lottery from the drop-down button. 2. Lottery start date. 3. Lottery closing date. 4. Drawing date. 5. Number of tickets to be sold. 6. Rate per ticket. 7. Estimated gross sales will be auto-calculated. 8. Estimated gross GTT will be auto-calculated. Now click on Save button in order to upload the documents. Once the form is saved, the form bundle number will be displayed at the top of the screen. Click on Upload Document and carefully select the document to be attached. After uploading the documents, you can close the pop-up by clicking Close. Now the taxpayer needs to click the Continue to Next step in order to move to the Declaration section. For non-individual taxpayer, you have to provide the TIN of the person submitting the application. In order to submit the form, you will have to tick the Declaration checkbox and click on Submit button to submit the registration of lottery tickets by charitable organisation. After submitting the form, an acknowledgement page will be displayed with your reference number. You can also click and download the acknowledgement letter. When the form is submitted and upon approval, you will be notified via correspondence tile. We hope that you have been able to follow through. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for more tutorial videos. For more information or queries, please email info@frcs.org.fj.